In today's world, people often carry a very fixed and narrow idea of what danger or wrongdoing looks like. Most individuals assume that if something harmful is happening, it will be obvious, loud, aggressive, or clearly visible from a distance. They imagine warning signs, red flags, or dramatic moments that make it easy to identify that something is wrong. However, reality does not always follow these expectations. In fact, the most dangerous situations are often the ones that appear completely normal on the surface. They blend into everyday life so seamlessly that people fail to recognize them even when they are directly experiencing them. These hidden dangers can exist in many areas of life. They can be present in close relationships, within families, in workplaces, in social environments, and even in systems that influence large groups of people. More importantly, they can slowly take root inside a person's own thinking patterns, affecting how they perceive themselves and the world around them. This makes them particularly powerful and difficult to detect.
The study of human behavior focuses on understanding how people think, how they feel, and how they act in different situations. It helps explain why individuals make certain decisions and how their experiences shape their perspectives. This knowledge, when used ethically, can improve communication, strengthen relationships, and promote personal growth. However, there is also a darker side to this understanding. The same knowledge can be used to manipulate, influence, and control others in subtle but powerful ways. When someone uses these darker techniques, they rarely approach their target in an aggressive or direct manner. Instead, they begin by building trust. They observe carefully, trying to understand the other person's needs, desires, insecurities, and emotional patterns. Once they gather enough information, they start shaping their behavior in a way that feels comforting and appealing to the other person. At first, everything feels positive. The person appears supportive, understanding, and deeply connected. They may seem like someone who truly gets you in a way that others never have. This creates a strong emotional bond. Over time, this bond becomes the foundation for influence.
As this connection grows, the individual begins to play a more active role in shaping the other person's thoughts and decisions. This does not happen suddenly. It is a gradual process where small suggestions, subtle doubts, and gentle shifts in perspective are introduced. Because the foundation of trust is already strong, these changes are rarely questioned. Eventually, the person being influenced starts relying more on the other individual's opinions than their own judgment. They may begin to second-guess their decisions or feel unsure about things they were once confident about. This is a critical turning point.
Imagine a situation where someone enters your life and provides exactly what you have been looking for. They offer emotional support, kindness, validation, and a sense of safety. They listen to you, understand your struggles, and make you feel valued. Naturally, you begin to trust them. You may even start sharing personal details and relying on them for guidance. Over time, this reliance grows. You begin to involve them in your decisions, both small and large. Their approval becomes important to you. At this stage, everything still feels positive, and there is no clear reason to doubt their intentions. Then, slowly, subtle changes begin to appear. The person may start questioning your other relationships. They might suggest that your friends do not truly understand you, or that your family does not support you in the way they should. These ideas are not presented aggressively. Instead, they are introduced gently, often framed as concern or care.
As these suggestions repeat over time, they begin to influence your perception. You may start noticing flaws in your relationships that you previously ignored. You may feel less connected to people who were once important to you. Gradually, your social circle becomes smaller. This isolation is not always obvious. It can happen slowly, through small decisions and subtle emotional shifts. Before you realize it, the person influencing you becomes your primary source of emotional support. At this stage, dependency begins to form. This dependency can take many forms. It can be emotional, where you feel that you cannot function without their presence. It can be financial, where your stability depends on them. It can also be psychological, where your sense of reality becomes tied to their perspective. Once dependency is established, the dynamic begins to shift further. The same person who once made you feel strong and supported may now start making you doubt yourself. They may question your memory, your decisions, or your understanding of situations. For example, if you recall an event one way, they may insist that it happened differently. If you express concern about something, they may dismiss it as overthinking or imagination. Over time, these repeated contradictions create confusion.
You begin to question your own perception. You may wonder whether you are remembering things correctly or whether your reactions are justified. This self-doubt weakens your confidence and makes you more dependent on the other person for clarity. At this point, reality itself starts to feel unstable. You may feel uncertain about what is true and what is not. The person influencing you may present their version of events with confidence, making it seem more reliable than your own thoughts. This is one of the most powerful aspects of manipulation. It does not rely on force or threats. Instead, it reshapes the way a person thinks, making them question their own mind. The entire process is carefully structured. It begins with observation, followed by connection, trust building, dependency, and finally control. Each step builds on the previous one, making the overall influence stronger over time.
What makes this process particularly dangerous is that it often feels positive in the beginning. It does not resemble a typical harmful situation. Instead, it feels like comfort, support, and understanding. Because of this, people rarely recognize what is happening until significant damage has already occurred. By the time they become aware, they may feel trapped, confused, and unsure of how to move forward. This pattern is not limited to personal relationships. Similar techniques can be observed in larger systems as well. In social settings, information can be presented in a way that influences how people think and feel. In professional environments, individuals may be made to doubt their abilities to maintain control over them. In broader contexts, fear, incomplete information, and emotional triggers can be used to guide large groups of people toward specific beliefs or actions. These methods rely on the same principles: understanding human behavior and using that understanding to influence decisions.
A common element across all these situations is the creation of self-doubt. When people lose confidence in their own thinking, they become more open to external influence. This makes them easier to guide, control, and manipulate. Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward protecting oneself. It requires awareness, reflection, and a willingness to question what is being presented as truth. One of the most important tools in this process is the ability to listen to your inner voice. Often, there is a subtle feeling that something is not right. It may not be clear or easy to explain, but it exists. Many people ignore this feeling, especially when everything appears fine on the surface. However, this inner signal can be an important indicator that something needs attention. Developing trust in your own thoughts takes time and practice. It involves paying attention to your feelings, questioning sudden changes in your thinking, and being aware of external influences.
Another important aspect is maintaining connections with people who genuinely care about your well-being. Having a support system provides perspective. It allows you to see situations from different angles and prevents isolation. When facing uncertainty, discussing your thoughts with someone you trust can provide clarity. It can help you separate facts from assumptions and identify patterns that you may not notice on your own. It is also important to avoid making decisions purely based on emotions, especially in intense situations. Emotions can cloud judgment and lead to choices that may not be beneficial in the long term. Instead, taking a step back and analyzing the situation objectively can lead to better outcomes. Asking questions, seeking evidence, and considering different possibilities can help in understanding what is truly happening.
If you identify that someone is intentionally influencing or manipulating you, creating distance becomes necessary. This may be challenging, especially if the person is emotionally significant, but it is essential for maintaining mental and emotional health. In some cases, professional guidance can provide valuable support. Speaking to someone trained in understanding human behavior can help in processing experiences and developing strategies for recovery. Continuous learning is another powerful tool. The more you understand about these patterns, the easier it becomes to recognize them. Knowledge provides protection and strengthens your ability to make independent decisions.
Life experiences, even difficult ones, can serve as lessons. They can help you grow stronger and more aware. The key is to reflect on these experiences and understand what they reveal about behavior and influence. Ultimately, it is important to prioritize your own well-being over external expectations. Fear of judgment or societal pressure should not prevent you from making decisions that are right for you. Your life is shaped by your choices. Trusting your own judgment, staying connected to supportive people, and remaining aware of external influences can help you maintain control over your decisions. The ability to think independently is one of the greatest strengths a person can develop. It allows you to navigate complex situations with clarity and confidence.
In the end, true strength comes from within. It is built through awareness, experience, and the courage to trust yourself even when faced with uncertainty.